In this lesson, we'll review a sentence completion problem. It's part of the critical reading section. We're on page 762, question 4 out of 5. This is a moderate to difficult problem. Professor Fernandez has been blank about most of the purportedly humanitarian aspects of colonial government and has insisted that its actions were, on the contrary, blank. So let's look for the key words, try to predict the answers, and then we'll review the choices. So the key words: she has been blank about the purportedly humanitarian. So these are two key words. Purport is a great word, and it means alleged or claimed to be or presumed or putative. So claimed to be, she has been blank about these allegedly humanitarian, helping humanity, promoting goodwill aspects of colonial government, and has insisted that its actions were, on the contrary, blank. So the keywords: she has been blank about these allegedly humanitarian aspects. She's felt the opposite way, on the contrary. So not helping humanity, you want a word like promoting self-interest. So again, you're not going to see those words, but we'll just say, let's see, we'll just call it selfish. Okay, not helping humanity, but helping one individually. So let's look at the choices and we'll build vocab, and let's see, we'll start with E. We have two blanks here. You can really start with the top or bottom, whichever one in which you feel most comfortable with. And let's just look at disillusions. Now, this could work. Disillusion means to deprive someone of an illusion, to be disenchanted. So this could work, but she has claimed or insisted that its actions were, on the contrary, of humanitarian. We want a word like selfish, and benevolent is the opposite. Benevolent, B-E-N, is the root for good or kindness, and that would be synonymous with humanitarian. That does not work. By the way, M-A-L would be the opposite of B-E-N, and that would be a harm word like malignant or malicious or malice. All those MAL words are harm, but this is a kind word. All right, so E is out. Excited, again, she does not believe, she would not be excited. And gratuitous, we know D is out, but gratuitous just means unnecessary. So like gratuitous violence, that would not work. Disparaging. Disparaging is a really common word. Lots of words for to be critical, to disparage. A word like denigrate. A couple of good nouns: reproach. If someone is beyond reproach, then they are perfect, because reproach is criticism. Another good word, kind of a tricky word, is obloquy. These are all disparaging. And even the word contempt, you can put that in the category, is synonymous with disparaging. But she has been disparaging, she's been critical, but the opposite of humanitarian would be helping oneself, and sporadic is way off. Sporadic is just irregular, not at regular periods, sort of at different intervals. That does not work. So we're down to the last two. Enthusiastic, again, this would not work. She has not been enthusiastic because she has not believed that these aspects were purportedly humanitarian and contemptible. Could work, but again, that's not close enough. We want the opposite of helping humanity, helping oneself. The answer is A, clearly. A, dubious, is skeptical, not believing that they were humanitarian. She has insisted they were, on the contrary, self-serving. And so that's it. It's a pretty clear choice, lots of good vocab. And by the way, the opposite for self-serving, another synonym for humanitarian or being kind or selfless, is altruistic or altruism. That would be the opposite, though. All right, the answer here is A. See you next time. Thanks for watching.